Yes, sir. Okay. You guys ready? Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible that you could have written it like you wrote abjad up there, separated?
I want it separated right now. I wanted that one separated, and I put these together purposely.
Okay.
Because I wanted to show, first, we'll get to that. You know, yes, I could have put them all together. But in the first one, I want to show you what we were actually doing. And now, put it together so you... Excuse me?
I wanted you to write them individually.
We'll do that when we do it in the modern way. Okay? Right now, in the tradition, there's a difference between the traditional way and the modern way. In the traditional way, you learn how to hear it, and you learn how to say it real strong. In the modern way, you learn how to write it in its individual forms stronger. That's why I said we're going to do both. Okay? We're going to do both. All right. We're almost done, people. Here we go. Dhamma. Everybody know what dhamma? First, let me go back. Maybe I made a mistake here. Fathatun. Say fathatun. You see how I separated them? Fathatun. That's the word. We say fatha. And we let that air out. But it's not fatha. It's fatha. Fathatun. Fathatun means to open. Okay? Open something. Like you open the door. Then you have dhammatun. Dhammatun is to squeeze something, to hold it. Dhamminuhu. Naam. Dhamminuha. You know, to be joined together. Okay? But here it means the oo sound. Everybody say oo. Ooh. This is one of the sounds that Americans have a lazy tongue. They don't do it. They don't put their lips together. Look at my lips. Ooh. Ooh. I want everybody, when you do this until you leave my classes, when you do it, you do ooh, ooh, ooh. And you put your lips consciously together. Ooh. Ooh. Now, we're going to go through this. Ubu judu. Huwuzu. Hutuyu. Kulumunu. Su'ufusu. Kurushutu. Thukhudhu. Dudhugu. Ubujudu. Huwuzu. Hutuyu. Kulumunu. Su'ufusu. Kurushutu. Thukhudhu. Dudhugu. Ubujudu. Huwuzu. Huwuzu. Woo. Huwuzu. Hutuyu. Hutuyu. Kulumunu. Su'ufusu. Kurushutu. Thukhudhu. Dudhugu. Ubujudu. Huwuzu. Hutuyu. Kulumunu. Su'ufusu. Kurushutu. Thukhudhu. Dudhugu. Ubujudu. Huwuzu. Hutuyu. Kulumunu. Su'ufusu. Su'ufusu. Kurushutu. Thukhudhu. Dudhugu. A little bit easier. Ubujudu. Huwuzu. You have to put that woo. Huwuzu. Hind or skuti anti. Hutuyu. Don't you see I come with a lot more strength? Hutuyu. Kulumunu. Su'ufusu. You got to reach down. Su'u. Fusu. That su is like the word saw in English. Say the word saw. I saw him, or I'm sawing. That's the saw. We can pronounce it. Like you saw something, or you saw in half, right? Or you say the lady Sue. How you doing, Sue? That's the sound of the saw that we have in English. Su'ufusu. Kurushutu. Thukhudhu. Soft. Thukhudhu. Thukhudhu. Your tongue is soft against your top teeth. Thukhudhu. Stick it out your mouth. Thukhudhu. Dudhugu. And the difference between the and this is the. Vu. Your tongue rounds in the mouth. Vu. Vu, vu, gu. 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 Like Google. Gu. That's what's that goo on the bottom of my shoe. Goo. Okay, we got that, right? This is what you have to do 100 times at least. I would say, what's my normal number? 500. Because at 100, you just get accustomed to it. You're just getting used to it. But if I said 500, you probably wouldn't do any. But if I say 100, you probably do 150. So we'll go with the 150 over any, you know. But do this. This is the stuff that you have to do. It'll come out in your recitation. It'll come out in your pronunciation. We have one more to do. You can write this one down while I make my corrections on the board. Okay, everybody. You notice that it says kesratun. Everybody say kesratun.
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 Kesratun is a word in Arabic means to break something. Kasara, to break it. Say kesra. Kasara. Okay, so here as a terminology, it represents the E sound. Everybody say E.
E.
And it says something is being dragged. E. Okay? Kesra. E. Here we're going to have to go through the whole alphabet again, but now we're going to practice the E sound. Okay? Watch. Note that the Hamza is now on the bottom, not on the top. And we did the Fatha and the Dhamma first because those two are aslin. Right? Fatha and Dhamma always are going to be there. Right? Right, the two Imams. We remember that from our lessons in Ajrumiyya. Now, EBGD, Hiwizi, Hittiyi, Kilimini, Si'ifisi, Qirishiti, Thikhidi, Didigi, EBGD, Hiwizi, Hittiyi, Kilimini, Si'ifisi, Qirishiti, Thikhidi, Didigi, Ibijidi, Hiwizi, Hittiyi, Kilimini, Si'ifisi, Qirishiti, Thikhidi, Didigi, Ibijidi, Hiwizi, Hittiyi, Kilimini, Si'ifisi, Qirishiti, Thikhidi, Didigi. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.